What's going on YouTube? So today we have a wireless charger. This is a wireless charger from TOZO. Let's see what we got. So this is the TOZO Wireless Charger. I went ahead and picked this charger up because there's just so many good reviews on there. I want to say that they got about 65,000 reviews on Amazon. So when I see something like this, so I figure I'd just pick it up, and I needed one for our spare bedroom anyway, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick it up and try it out. So I thought I would show you guys. Now this wireless charger comes in a whole array of different colors, which is pretty neat. I just got the standard black one. Now this is what the package looks like. It's pretty standard stuff. You got some codes if you want to scan them, and it tells you it's 5mm by 100mm. That 5mm is super thin. I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up here. I've been excited to kind of have a different type of charger. I usually use just the Samsung exclusively, so as far as a wireless charger, but it'll be nice to have something else in the house. And there we go. We have some basic instructions here. Now these instructions are just going to tell you your basics, where your LED is. It's saying that it's aircraft aluminum on here. It shows you where to plug the power supply into it, and it shows you that you have non-stick padding on there, or non-slip, sorry, non-slip padding. And it shows you really just how to place your phone on here. And then we have multiple languages on there, so we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Now this is definitely interesting looking. Nice little flat disc. I can get this out and see what we got. It's got a little protective thing on there, and go ahead and get that off. Now you can see these rubber feet on here. We've got pretty good coverage on both sides. I'll show you guys how thick this thing actually is. So this is the Z Fold 3 pen. If you happen to have one of these, you can see how thick it is. It's not very thick at all. And the pen is actually thicker than the charger here. That's pretty neat. So it's super thin. Just remove. I don't know why that's on there. And then we have a standard Type A to USB-C cable. Now this does not come with a charging brick or an adapter. So what you'll need is a 5 volt 2 amp charger for it. So pretty much any of your basic charging blocks will work. If you got one at the house for something else, you can just plug it into it. I'm using an extension one for my videos here though, but oh, check that out. I really do like the light on there. It does definitely make it interesting. Now let's go ahead and I'm going to try my different headphones out. Yeah, and it turns blue when you charge it, and the indicator light on the headphones come on, so that's pretty good. Move that around a little bit, kind of see the zone. The zone is pretty wide on there. You get zoomed in a little bit here. Kill these lights down a little bit. As you can see, it's still got a pretty wide area. Some of them are like super dead on, like it's got to be like the size of a nickel or something, or a quarter. But this one seems quite large, so that's really good to know that you don't have to just be exactly in the one spot where it'll charge. Now these here, I'm going to have to open the case on there. I had these fully charged, but I let them drain down just a little bit, just enough, so I wanted to see if this thing would detect it. And sure enough, there we go. That seems to be working. Now my red set there, the earbuds, I have them fully charged. I want to see if it'll know if it's fully charged. Yep, and it went from blue to green. It knows it's fully charged, so at least it does have some sort of QI. A little bit of charging, a little charging sense to it. Now one thing about this charger is that it'll tell you when it's like green and standby, when it's complete, blue when it's charging, then when it's done it'll go back to green, so you can just kind of walk by and look and see if it's done charging or not. Now one thing about this charger that's good to know is that it is a slow charger. You are not going to get any good type of charging speeds on this. I think for the Samsung you're going to get 7.5 watts, which is pretty slow. And with the iPhone you're going to get 7.5 watts to 5 watts. It says 12.5 watts up to on the Samsung, but it's not, that would be just the fast charging, and it's not showing that. It's just showing regular charging. So for comparison, I'm going to get my Samsung charger out and show you how we can see the difference. But yeah, it's just wireless charging. It's pretty quick. You know, it comes on and off really easy. I'm going to try my Z Fold 3. Make sure that pops on there just the same. Picks it up pretty quick. Yep, just wireless charging. Well, that is definitely... And right now when it just says wireless charging like that, that is like the slowest speed. It's probably about 7.5 to 10 watts right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the difference. I'm going to go ahead and break out the good old Samsung charger, in which we know that that'll charge at a higher rate. Get this situated here. I'm also going to turn that on. I could set it down after I test it on the Samsung. Now I'll drop a link for the TOZO and the Samsung below. Samsung charger is really good. So now you can see that it's charging at the fast wireless charging. So, you know, you're going to get your 15 watts or more on this. And it does charge it up pretty fast. It starts to ramp up even more if you let it just sit there for a little bit. And then you can plug it straight in, and you will see that it's got super fast charging. So that's the third level. And that's 25 and up right there, super fast. And then when you set it back down onto here, you can see it goes straight to just the regular. Let me move this down a little bit. Get in the right spot there. And as we can see that this one's just wireless charging. So it is at the slowest speed. Now I think this is supposed to be like just a supplement charger, maybe for your nightstand. And like I said, I'm going to put this in our spare bedroom, you know, for when people come over. They'll have a charger, you don't have to worry about bringing one. Galaxy Z Fold 3. And then we'll plug this in, we'll show the super fast charging. There we go, super fast charging. And then we'll go ahead and get it set up on here. Now this TOZO charger though is very inexpensive. You know, you could easily, I want to say this was like 13 bucks right now on sale. I mean, for $13 it's a great charger. I mean, getting a wireless charger with the LED indicator lights, it's super thin. You know, it's good. It'd be a good backup charger, a good spare room charger, maybe a good charger at work just to have sitting there. Get that back on there. But that's been my review of this TOZO charger. I just kind of wanted to show you guys, let y'all see what this was all about. But like I said, I'll drop some links below, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and we'll continue to get these videos pushed out to y'all. This is the size of it in my hand. Super thin, super nice. Until next time, guys, we will see you later.